Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a really cool Western Electric wall telephone, and this is Brian's equipment from Rhode Island, and this is the initial checkout of this really cool telephone. Brian's got a note with this unit, and he's talking about the keypad is not functioning, and we have troubleshooted a little bit. We know that it has the older style keypad with the tunable coils, but they're really only tunable one time from the factory. We know that when you try to adjust the tunable coils, it will not last. What we want to do is go ahead and upgrade the keypad to an electronic keypad so that we don't have to worry about the older style tunable coils. The issue with that situation is the older style network will not properly support the newer style electronic keypad. So what we need to do is also change the network. We may go ahead and switch the whole backboard because the network is actually riveted in with metal rivets, and it really is unnecessary to remove the rivets and put new ones in when we can just change the whole backboard. We also want to troubleshoot the transmit and the receive, the handset cord, and the bell and bell circuit. So we will be going through the entire telephone while it's in the shop. We have a lot of work that needs to be done. We want to get a start on this unit. We'll go ahead and take some still pictures of this really cool Western Electric wall telephone, and we'll come back and get some more video as we move forward in the troubleshooting, repairing, and converting process. We'll take a short break and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we're finished up with the repair and conversion of this really cool Western Electric wall telephone, and we're ready to start our final checkout. Now, we also want to mention our amplified pickup. We use this pickup in troubleshooting, repairing, and on our final checkouts. It's amplified so that you can hear the audio from a receiver. And I have an amplifier back by the video. It has a button on it. When I press the button, I can give dial tone or take it away at any time. And since it's an open amplifier, it is prone to any static interference or noise in the atmosphere. I'm going to go ahead and press the button. You may hear a little bit of an electrical hum. I'll release it, press it one more time, and release it. So if you hear any noise during the final checkout, it will be coming from the amplifier and not the telephone. Now what we want to do is use the analyzer and send a ring cycle like you were getting a call, so we'll start that. We're going to let that go a few times. I'll let it go one more time and we'll give you some dial tone. We want to walk through our numbers. If you watch the analyzer, you'll watch the numbers roll by. I'm going to end in a 2. Now I want to transmit into the handset. If you watch that red light on the analyzer, every time you see that red light light up, that's an indication of 100% modulation on transmit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hello, hello. Go ahead and hang our handset up. Now that we know that this unit is ringing in on a ring cycle, we're dialing out. We have transmit and receive. We can go ahead and press this button on the switch box. That'll give us a line out, totally take the analyzer out of the situation, and we'll call a time and temp number. Go ahead and give you some dial tone. And we'll make that call.
The time and temperature is coming up after this. To hear the time and temperature, just stay on the line. Today is Monday, January 24th. The current time, 2:47 p.m. and the temperature, 59 degrees.
Now that we know that this really cool Western Electric wall telephone has been repaired and converted, we can return this unit back to Brian and they can enjoy this telephone. I'm sure it's going to look great wherever it's used. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching and have a great day.